So guys, we're going to do a reversible swimwear, but using the fold over elastic. Okay, so let us go. So here's the black fold over elastic, and now we're just going to do the sides. So because we're starting this way, we're going to continue like this. Okay, so we have to continue with the sides just like that. So let's go. So we're going to put it on zigzag. Put it to like a 3.5. Turn it and start it, because sometimes it will catch in the middle. So you don't want to have it catch. And then you're going to push it under. So what you're going to do is sandwich it. So you're going to sandwich both of the both sides. So we finished the edge, right? So remember, we started from down the bottom. So what we're going to do is continue. And because we're on the green section, we're going to continue sewing on this side. So I'm going to bring it down a little bit and start right here. So we're finished. So this is what's happening now. So when you look at both sides, we're doing both sides, see? All right, so cut this off right here. And this is going to be a reversible. And I want you to see how I do the reversible. Okay. So here it is. Here's this side. And here's that side. And this I'm going to be using is the fold over elastic. And what I don't really do is continue this. All right. So now we're going to do the strings. Okay. So we're going to start on here. Come and we're going to do the string for the tie around the neck. Okay. Okay. And we're going to do this here. Remember, you're going to sandwich them in. And every time I do these fold over elastic, I always check to make sure the other side is catched. I always go back a little bit at the edge. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do 40 inches. And you want a long enough string. So we're doing 20. We're going to go to 40. 40 is going to run us here. And that's where I'm going to start the other one. We're going to continue on the green. So it's like this. Make sure it's in. Go back up a little bit. So here it is. So guys, here is the string, okay? And here's the bra, all right? And this is reversible, so you can wear it this way or you can wear it this way, okay? So now we're gonna put the strings on here, all right? And we're gonna do that right now. So we're gonna have a string come from right here, go right across. We're gonna do what is comfortable. 19 is comfortable. And then we're gonna put it right here. Okay, so it's gonna be like this. Right here. And with this, I want you to stretch a little bit. You want to be on top, like stretch it. So you want to have that really nice snug under the bust. And I always take this off. Oops. So remember, whatever you start with color, you have to continue, okay? You want to make it as close as possible, right? Let's see, we have this, so we're just gonna cut it right here. Okay, so let us look at this. There it is. And I normally put another stitch right here. Okay. And there it is. And it's reversible. And here's the back. Here's the back. And then you can just take it off, turn it around. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Take time with your sewing. Remember, sewing is a craft. All right. Remember also to sandwich in between the fold over elastic and give you enough room so that you can tie. Have fun, guys. Love you.